Naples MOB, we're back again. Today, we graded our casting bed Monday morning. We're going to pour about 21,000 square feet so that we can continue panels. And in the meantime, we've moved our tilt wall processes up onto the slab. We'll walk up here, take a look at what the guys are up to. So like you saw down on the casting beds, right now, tilt wall forms are in place. We got some bond breaker in there. Our guy Marcos is headed through doing downside embed plates in front of the rod busters. The rod busters have started in some of the panels already. Leon with Lion Steel, he's our regular guy. Along with Leonardo, he's the one that does all the work. So we've just gotten started. Again, the bottom plate embeds have to go in before the reinforcing in order to avoid a problem. Over here, we see you got some more panels that are ready to go. This job in particular has some funny details. We have Linton anchors that tie into rebar coming out of the footer right here. They got some funny little tubes. We'll be pumping grout into those after we finish. Watch, this is a fresh coat of bond breaker in this panel. We do 4 coats, keeps the concrete from sticking to the slab. And back over here to the other side, we're just now finishing with some of our embeds, lift inserts, continuing through the panels. If things go our way next week, we will pour 180 yards for the first 3 panels on Tuesday, another 180 in this group on Wednesday, the group on the far end on Thursday, and the last group that we'll have ready will be poured on Friday as we still prepare more panels up here on the slab. Our detail at the edges of these slabs includes a turn down edge at the inside face of the wall panel. That keeps the dirt contained under the slab, prevents erosion from happening during the course of construction, and leaves for a very neat finish to our slabs. There will only be 3/4 of an inch of space that we grout back after the slabs are poured. Afternoon thunderstorms are building up. We're pretty much used to it nowadays. There's no use in trying to work late because we get rained out every day between 2 and 3 o'clock. The coming weeks, we expect the same sort of weather. It's extremely hot. The guys have to stay hydrated out here. It's really a task to work in this heat. These guys are almost like professional athletes with their physical ability to continue working under these conditions, and we appreciate it. Their hard work is what makes this happen. As we go forward here, that's pretty much it. For us, it's sort of the same old thing. Once we get going in a process, we just continue going until we're ready to stand panels. Right now, we're looking at the end of next month. The 28th is our erection date. We'll be utilizing a 380-ton crane to pick up these panels, the biggest of which originally weighed 320,000 pounds, but has now been changed to a lightweight concrete to hold it under 300,000 to enable us to use standard rigging. Other than that, that's all we got for right now. See you next time.